guys, so in today's video I'm going to be doing a GlowRoad haul. GlowRoad sale is live from the 26th of September and I shop for some amazing products from there. GlowRoad has some really good products at very affordable prices and I got steal deals. So I'm going to be sharing those with you all. So without any further ado, let's quickly dive into today's video. Okay, so the first product that I got is this set of 3 beauty blenders, and these beauty blenders are of really good quality. Let me just show you. So they are like extremely soft and squishy. They feel so nice against the skin. The quality is amazing, and when you dampen them, they literally become double of the size, and they're so easy to like blend your makeup, blend your base makeup, foundation, concealer, everything. So these beauty blenders I got at a very steal deal price. Usually अगर आप इनको कहीं और से भी परचेज करोगे ऑनलाइन या ऑफलाइन, तो आपको एक एक ब्यूटी ब्लेंडर मिनिमम 100, 150 या 200 रुपीज़ में मिलेगा. But these beauty blenders, like a set of 3 beauty blenders I got at such an affordable price, which is the best part. And ये अलग अलग shapes के हैं. So as you can see, this has the drop shape. Now this beauty blender that I have, it's got this dome kind of a shape. So each shape allows you to work against the contours of your face. So that's the reason why I love these beauty blenders. They are all like of 3 different shapes, and they're all very squishy, of such good quality, and the fact that they're so affordable is like the cherry on top of the cake. Okay, so the second item that I got is this set of 2 bangle bracelets. Let me just show you. So this is what it looks like. I absolutely love how fashionable this is, how trendy this is, and I think नवरात्रि के लिए तो ये perfect है. आप इनको नवरात्रि में तो ज़रूर यूज़ कर सकते हो. Let me just wear and show you. इतना easy है इसको पहनना, and look at how beautiful that looks. So it comes in a set of 2. You can wear one on each hand and it just looks so pretty. It's also got this chan chan awaz going on. It just feels so pretty overall. You can style it with so many outfits, so many Indo-Western outfits, and you can also wear it for Navratri. I think it looks very trendy and it's just so pretty. So I absolutely love this, and I got it at a steal deal price, a set of 2 at the price of just 1 if you go to purchase it from outside. So yeah, the price point of this website is really good, and the best part is that if you're an Android user, you can also download their app, and if you install the app from the link mentioned in the description box below, then on your first order you can get up to 75 rupees off, and on your second order onwards you can get up to 85% off, which is such a steal deal. So make sure you grab this opportunity, download the app from the link mentioned in the description box below. GlowRoad also offers free cash on delivery and easy return and exchange, and they have the lowest prices out there. So I highly recommend you shop from GlowRoad. Okay, so the next product that I got is this set of 4 hair clips. Let me just show you. So this is the first hair clip. This is what it looks like, and as you can see, ये कितना pretty, कितना ज़्यादा cute है. You can tie your hair with this and it just looks so pretty. That's the first hair clip. It's a set of 4. So this is what the second one looks like. This is what the second one looks like. Third वाला कुछ ऐसा दिखता है, and this is the 4th one. So ये सारे जो hair clips are, they're all so pretty. The shapes are so pretty, and ये वाला silver hair. This one is like a metal color. Then we have rose gold and gold. So like 4 colors. They are so extremely affordable, and I just love that they're like giving these entire sets for the price of just 1. So that's what I love the most. तो ये सारे बहुत अच्छे क्वालिटी के हैं, and I am very happy with this purchase. Okay, next up is my most favorite item out of this entire haul. I got this set of 2 sunglasses, and they also sent me this case, which is the best thing ever. ये case इतना बड़ा है, इसमें आप easily 2 sunglasses fit कर सकते हो, which is the best thing. So this is what the first one looks. So this is what the sunglasses look like, and look at how trendy they are. It's got this oval kind of shape, which looks very similar to one of the biggest brands. I don't want to name it, but looks very similar to that. And look at how classy it looks, and the shape of these sunglasses, I think this is gonna like suit most faces, most face shapes. It's gonna look good on everyone, and this is unisex as well. So that's the thing that I love the most about it. Love the shape, love the quality, and you're getting a set of 2. So this is what the pink one looks like. As you can see, it looks so classy. So I got this set of 2 at the price of just 1, which is again a steal deal. GlowRoad से सस्ते products आपको और कहीं पे भी नहीं मिलेंगे. Like they have the lowest prices ever, and you just have to agree on that. So that's the set of 2 sunglasses, and also comes with a case. Okay, the final product that I got from GlowRoad is this set of 3 beauty blenders again, but these are not regular beauty blenders. Let me just show you. तो ये वाले जो beauty blenders है, this is what they look like. They've got this mushroom sort of a shape, and it's very easy to like just hold it from the handle that's given, and you can easily like, you know, blend your makeup with this. This also you can dampen, and it's gonna like fluff up and become double the size of it, and it's gonna blend your makeup really well. So if you don't want to get your hands dirty, then this is a very hygienic way of using a beauty blender. It's a very you know, new way of using a beauty blender, and you can easily blend your makeup with the help of this. So traveling के लिए ये बहुत अच्छा है. आप इसको carry कर सकते हो, and you can use it to like powder your face, to apply some compact powder on your face. Like जब आप travel कर रहे हो तो आपके हाथ already dirty है, and you don't want to transfer that dirt onto your face. So you can just hold this by the handle and just, you know, apply the product all over your face like that. So it's very easy for that. So it's a very convenient product, a very new kind of a beauty blender, and you get a set of 3, like 3 different colors at the price of 1 again. So the Shubh Aram GlowRoad sale is live from the 26th of September, and I highly recommend you purchase all your favorite products from there. They have the lowest prices ever, and you'll be able to save on a lot of money if you shop from GlowRoad. So make sure that you make all your purchases from there. And in case if you want to purchase for any of the products that I showed you in today's video, then all the purchase links are mentioned in the description box below. You can check that out, and make sure that you download the GlowRoad app from the link mentioned in the description box below to get 75 rupees off on your first order and get up to 85% off on your second order onwards. So make sure that you take like most advantage of this and download the GlowRoad app from the link in the description box below. And yeah, that was my mini haul on GlowRoad. Those were all the products that I purchased from GlowRoad, and I'm super happy with each and every one of them. The fact that they are all so good quality and so affordable is the steal deal. So I highly recommend that you shop from GlowRoad. And yeah, that was my video for today. If you found it helpful, please hit the like button, subscribe to my channel if you're new here, follow me on Instagram, and yeah, with that, it's a wrap for now. I will see you super soon.